Good morning, everybody. How we all doing? Yes, sir. That Verizon looks like once more. Let's get it. What's up, everybody? All right, let's.
Good morning, good morning. Well, trading now. Fine. Yes, indeed, another great opportunity to learn, to grow within ourselves, and also to make some money with our skills. So make sure to take advantage of this opportunity and bring up the best in ourselves and each other through positive reinforcement and learning.
Oops. Alrighty.
Are you trading over there, Brina? Yes, sir. That is me trading on the pinky shorts. That's a quick entry at 879 for shorts.
Is the sound on? Yeah. Should be able to hear me.
I'll put it on mute so I don't bother anybody. You all ready for some trading today? Every level's ready. 5 minutes till market open. Less than 5 minutes.
Y'all hear me?
118. Ooh. I'm not really big, so I hope we're here. Get through.
How's my Tesla app being stupid, dude? Hear me? Cool.
Shorts and peanuts rather. Some people will.
Alrighty. It's the Discord that you hear in the background. What's up, Don? Let's lock in. Hopefully catch ourselves a banger. Hopefully the Verizon just runs more too. I'd be a happy camper if that thing goes at 4350. Ain't gonna be no complaints from me. Tell you that much. Alright, let's see. Why does the icebergs not work on this? I don't know why, that's so weird. Guess we'll just be using this. Three minutes still open. What you watching, Grizz?
Possible pre-market reject.
Okay.
Break below. Entry.
Okay, okay. What's up?
Watch that with Chris. I think it looks good.
Let's get it.
Let's go, y'all. Trade smart, trade safe. Let's go. Morning, family.
What's up?
Surrender over the vehicle. Yeah, we're gonna see. Okay, let's see. Two days in a row, puts off of the new record for this year. Last time we had moved like this, we bought it back up. I don't think so.
We're getting new highs on our Verizon swing.
Or CP price. C bear in the suburb. It's not a watch on the open. Pre-market reject. It's a lighter size because of dealing with us, but wants to too. You know, a lot of it's gonna be predicated on the video. Video moves today.
Just watching right now. If you guys join the live stream, you all have my levels. You should know. You should know exactly what I'm watching.
Hey, Lucy, I'm gonna possibly try for we'll see.
Actually gonna watch this with Grizzly.
I'll sure try some puts. I might try some more February market low failure too, or market high, excuse me.
What's your level again, Grizz?
Pre-market high, I'm watching the first fall back below the level.
Because we're trading right at my reject. That IYR swing or $100 calls are now in the money.
Swings this year, bro.
Yes, sir.
Swing king. The swing king, the king of the swings.
All right, this 551.6 was my reject, so I'm watching it. Still no entry. I'm over here printing on the swings, though. I'll tell you guys that. Christ. What are we up? We're up 75% on the Verizon. We've been milking these IYRs. They're about to go back to 100%. Got about, let's see, 4.3K in unrealized gains on these swings from IYR and Verizon. Yeah, it looks like we're just going to break through it. That reject's invalid. I'm not taking it.
I'm watching. Nothing's confirmed yet. We're in between levels, so see it for a minute.
We have jolts at 10, don't we?
We do. Yes.
Happy birthday, Grizz. Guess let's see what happens when we make this pullback. I mean, we still technically rejected off of that 1 hour 21 EMA. It just wasn't my favorite. Actually, speaking of that, since we started to bounce, we do have a fib that we could use. That's way up there. I mean, I doubt we get up there, but hey, if we do, I'd be willing to take some puts. That's for sure. But yeah, I mean, we have jolts here in 13 minutes. I'd like to see if we can dip back down into this level and get bought up. I'd be willing to take some longs. That IYR is going stupid. So, I mean, in case you guys didn't know, we've been in these IYR swings for a while, just slowly trimming out. So the days that we entered this IYR was this day here. This day here, we bought the 97 calls and the $100 calls for January. And look at that. Hundreds are now in the money. 97s have been in the money. Both contracts up 100%. Literally like an entire stress-free trade. I cannot emphasize the importance behind swing trading. Like, we have literally been crushing it. So, honestly, I'm just letting these bad boys run, because if we actually hold above 100, there's not much blocking it. I mean, we at least have room to this previous high. Whoops. This previous high right there. So we got that, and then we have Verizon that almost hit the second price target today. We entered this day right here. Boom. Massive move up. So, yeah, swing trading has been a blessing this year, I'll tell you that. Been crushing it. That's not what I wanted. There we go. At this point, it's just how much money am I going to make? That's the best spot you want to be in, especially for a swing trader. Been super bullish on real estate stocks. IYR was the one. Pull back down.
Something crazy, Brando.
Yes, sir. And make sure you take the next swing trade.
But not to be advanced. Just financial advice.
Yeah. We still have like 4 months until expiration on that too. All right. Let's get a trade. Got job openings here in 5 minutes.
It's got no loss right now.
We pull back towards like 550.8. That's about it though.
Yeah, Joe hit those 4 minutes, so gives us solid.
Tesla's ripping. Let's take a look at her. Tesla is ripping. All right, well, let's put Tesla on the side. Thank you for the subscribe. Dude, IYR is literally ripping. That's crazy. Honestly, probably one of my favorite swings this year is the IYR. Wasn't as heavy. I know, dude. I'm still holding. Nuking. Cleared a big old bag off of it.
Made your best steak, Friday.
Yeah, if you get a flight, get over here, I will.
Yeah. Hell Bros over last night too. Bring by dinner.
Yes, sir. You're not even gonna be here. I'll just take Grizzly and GD.
I thought about coming out.
Do it, bro. Did you guys see Tesla this morning?
So how much all was doing?
Nuking.
Doing, yeah, yeah.
I'll watch for a pullback towards like 215.
Shit. The best still time this morning. She didn't put the calls off the open.
For real.
You can't have any bias in this one at all. You trade levels and you manage risk, that's it. Yeah, you get smoked having a bias. Not on 10 seconds. Don't be too sure about the scouting move yet. Just wait and make sure to maintain it. You don't want to get liquidity sleeped out. Start to pull bearish trying to get one puts. You don't want to be chasing this down and then getting back up though.
Imagine we just go red on the day. That'd be crazy.
Let's see. Down and come in, assuming not good. This might do one puts as well. That's here. Just give it a little more too.
Personally, no entry from me.
50.9 exactly to have back on in there. Only missed this move.
Hope it works out for the boys, but I'm not taking this. Actually, let's look at Tesla real quick. I think I might have missed the bounce on Tesla. A little closer to 15.
Try something. Was not white size 551.
Yeah, we had a lot of buyers down there. I was not willing to try to short those buyers.
Not put money at risk today in case you try that. Nobody's expensive. So I was saying I tried the low white size, but not put money at risk until these firm buys. Oh, so what we do here? Days that was pretty sweep down. That was unexpected, for sure.
You guys see why I didn't want to try those shorts?
I was no worries. So.
Everybody in the YouTube live stream.
see if we can catch something, but I just start day red and see.
That's why I love using Bookmap. We went right down into that opening range. Huge buy order sitting down there. I'm not shorting that.
Stop me out. Nothing worse than stopping out when you're sick. Buy me again gas and 10 calls.
Alrighty. Yeah, I feel like I may have missed that Tesla bounce.
It's silly. It's reclaimed it immediately.
Oh well. It's aight. That Tesla's gonna push. Probably about to give a new high day, to be honest with you. I was watching Spy, unfortunately. Missed it. My man up with 220%. Nice.
We popped that previous 5 videos of stock, but it's a small size. I'm not really worried about it. I'm gonna get back in again. I don't know what that move was all about. That push back up. Not near break even for anyone who's nervous. We could very well pop by a day. You know, so we'll see. I'm not really light size. I'm too worried about it.
Still gonna watch this Tesla. See what happens.
So more profit. Flush below that 550.
You guys take any trades in the stream today? Yeah, OB, if I had to summarize trading, like my entire strategy as far as day trading, key levels, look for the reaction at the key level, look for confirming volume, stop loss right on the opposite side. It's literally like every single day trade I take.
This one I'm just gonna hook my re-entry button high day on stop. The market low through. So there we go. Come on, push it in.
Still watching this Tesla.
Push it in.
It's being a pain though. I wanted to get down to VWAP.
this price action is it kind of stops you out on that futures. Everyone wants to be cautious with your fund accounts, with your future accounts. Keep my stop the same, my small size, 5 to 2.3. Looks like it's gonna keep moving on up. Got the little move down, the red again is not the price action. That's why you always gotta wait for a 5 minute trend to put on your risk.
Come on, Tesla, VWAP. Give it.
I always, when I get to trade on my futures account, my stop losses, I always set a 10 points. MES or MPS, wherever I'm trading.
Let's see, where's our fibs? Fibs are way up there.
Should have waited for the 5 minute. Sorry, y'all. Check the price action for data. If we go back below 551, I'll get back to this. Count on it. With flush in this range and consolidate back and forth with these big candles. We have a flush by them days. Flush 521. Back to the roots. So.
Yeah, Douglas. For anybody who doesn't know, Douglas has both of my books in my swing trading course, and man just hit like a 400% trade on J&J. Pretty sure that's you who I was talking to yesterday on Instagram, or on Instagram, sorry. Well, I think it's safe to say Tesla ain't gonna give me my entry. But I do want to keep watching this SPY.
Not trade the one of the candles, just something that's not me.
Did GD text me to take a trade?
Besides that, I'm chilling.
Ah, fuck, dude.
Around 750 for the day. Just give me a replay.
Hold on 1 second. Okay. Miss GD telling me to take a trade. Stuck on chapter 5 and 6. What's up? What you got questions about? Feel free to ask while we're just sitting here chilling. I mean, to me, this is looking pretty bullish that we keep holding above these moving averages in VWAP. But no position for me yet. Still just watching. Do appreciate you guys keeping me company throughout the day, though. It was a demand zone and it just broke it. So again, there was no confirmation at the demand yesterday, so there was no reason to be long. And if that's the case, we break demand, we likely head to the next level. But again, the main way that I trade is where is the market going to react? Wait for us to trade to that level, and then wait to see if we get the reaction. If we get the reaction, we take the trade. If we don't get the reaction, we don't take the trade. Yeah, I'm keeping you guys company. Oh, how sweet.
Well, 551, let's see how it's down. Try to load it.
Let's see.
The chop zone right here. So let's see.
I do have calls pulled up. No trade yet, though. Just watching the structure. See if we get something. I had some dude complaining in my YouTube comments yesterday that I don't post trades every day. I'm like, dude, sorry that I don't take trades every day. Sorry I don't want to force like C- setups. Like what? Remember, only 1 to 2 trades can make your entire week. That IYR and Verizon swing, shit. I don't really even have to trade this week based off of those 2 swings. Imagine complaining that you don't take a trade every day. Tons of videos I have on my channel about confirmation. Tons of them. And both my books. Got 1,100 videos on this channel, plus previous live trading that we've done. Where we've taken trades. See all the confirmation and all that stuff. Again, I like how we're holding the structure. I like upside. I just don't. It's not an A+ setup to me. Like, it looks bullish, yes. But it's not giving, like, the proper confirmation for me to put on any position.
Let's size that up. Maybe watching 554, 559. Marcus preparing for the next push up. Yup. Nothing here. 555. Not opposed to.
Oh, and this is Bookmap, by the way, whoever asked.
Oh, Savage. Savage and Blitz on the print Savage. Anyway.
Let's see what we start doing down here. Let's see. No, the book is not on Audible. Too many screenshots. It'd be way too confusing. Again, Z Trades, tons of confirmation videos on my channel. And then, yes, I trade full time. Been trading full time since 2019. Henry, as far as my day trading strategy, I have a book on Amazon, The New Age of Technical Analysis and The New Age of Day Trading. So, two separate books. You can find both of those. Again, both on Amazon, or I believe the link is in the description. And then I do have a swing trading course, but I kind of keep that one low key and don't really promote it. It's only for people that are like serious about wanting to learn my swing trading strategy. And then I use ES to trade SPY. So probably SPY options today. I'll trade futures occasionally, but it's mainly SPY options. I mean, not like a book geared towards futures trading. I mean, it's kind of all the same technicals. You can just apply it to any market. So when I first started learning, I learned through like Forex. Is how I like got good at reading the technicals. Is I would just chart through Forex. But again, you can just literally apply it to any market. It doesn't really matter. Works in every single market. All right. Again, I feel like it wants to pop up. I just don't have a position. Also, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram if you're not already. Brandon Trades. It's at the bottom of the screen. I'm very active on there. I got a nice little group as well. If you guys want to get notified whenever I upload new stuff. Send out levels on there. Swing trades, etc., etc. All that on Instagram. No, that's not what I want. What the icebergs? I don't know why they won't work. Uh, Thank you for the subscribe. All right, if we can get a bullish candle close up here, and then one more pullback towards the 8 EMA or VWAP, I think I'll try some longs or calls. Well, it depends though. But I still have the 552 calls pulled up. I do indeed have Instagram. I do indeed. You want to know what's crazy? Is, since you brought up the book, some people complain about the cost of the book. I want you guys to hear this. Not throwing shade at any traders or anything, but people will send $50,000 to another trader to trade for them. Many, many people. I don't know if you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. I'm not saying any names or anything, but people will send them $50,000, $100,000 to trade with, and that person blew every single dollar in that account, right? But people will complain about a $50 book. It's crazy. That's me just literally like mind blowing. Again, if you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. I'm not going to say any specific names. Yeah, I'll put my Instagram in the chat. Instagram. All right, so we got that bullish candle close. Let's see what happens on this next pullback. There's my Instagram. Literally, like, why would you even, I wouldn't even send somebody $50,000 to trade with. Like, what? You can learn how to trade for a fraction of the cost and then do it yourself. I like this NQ chart too. Hmm. Just don't like that we have these sellers up here. It's the only issue. Still watching, no entry. Right at that VWAP. Whoops. Just smacked my mic. Still no entry. Kind of conflicted with this setup, to be honest with you. Verizon's looking really good, though. Looks like it wants to give us more. Yeah, I mean, I feel like they're going to push this into a new high day. I'm conflicted with the setup, so I'm personally not going to take it. Contracts are moving quick today, too. But yeah, they're likely about to break this high. Give the market like 30 more minutes, see if we can find something.
So retest hasn't worked in 2 weeks, and it's not working good.
Henry, hit me up on Instagram.
Upside of things.
No day trades. All right, how about this? Let's just full port. Psych. YOLO, right? You only live once. Food stamps or Lambo. We vibing. I actually want to see. Hold on. Yeah, I mean, we still got almost 40 points until the reject on ES. Let's see about NQ. Because I feel like when we actually do test these fibs, that's going to be a really good reject to take. But yeah, we're so far away. So far. So, yeah, like I said, I mean, we'll sit here for another 30 minutes, see if we can find something. I had a feeling they wanted to push it. It's just, it wasn't A+. So I only want to put risk on if it's an A+ setup. The structure looked good and everything. It's just, I wasn't getting the proper confirmation that I wanted to look for. So, you know, in hindsight, oh, I should have taken that. I would have made money. But you got to think about all the times where it wouldn't have worked out and you would have ended up losing money. That's why I just stress the importance of A+ setups. Where can I find A plus setups? You don't like, it's not like you can go find a YouTube video that just says A plus setups. You got to find a strategy that works for you, back test that strategy, and see what the best entry criteria is for you and your strategy. That's your A plus setup. I mean, I talk about my A plus setups, yes, but my A plus setup could be completely different. Ugh. That's right, Don, and then be disciplined enough to take them. But yeah, I mean, while we're chilling here, we talked about the book. You guys might as well go pick yourself up a copy. New Age of Day Trading. Does break down my strategy when it comes to day trading. Oh my god, we gotta do a little tiny URL. So dumb. Boom. Shorten. There we go. There's a link to the book. About 320 pages, breaks down my entire strategy. Make sure you guys check it out. All right, let's find something. Give me something good today. There was actually a nice setup on Google earlier. But did not see that. The I'm still watching SMCI if we get close to 357. Apple's actually really weak today. I'm not really seeing much. I think they're just going to keep trying to push this thing up. But again, that's me talking without a position. I think I'm about to just turn on my camera and do some TikTok dances. What you guys think? Yeah. We'll do that at 100K. Damn, I said that and 20 people got off of here. Sheesh. Y'all are fake. Those 20 people fake. They just come for the trades, not the dances. I see how it is. First time here from South Africa. Let's go. Welcome. Welcome to the squad. But yeah, literally, I think they're just going to grind this thing up until we get into our rejects, which, I mean, we could today hit the rejects. So absolutely am I going to have alerts, because I'm going to go to the gym in like 20 minutes, but like 20, 30 minutes. Whoops. There we go. But again, I'll give it like 20 minutes, 20, 30, see what happens. Where is the reject on SPY? I didn't even draw it. I think it is closer to 555. Thank you for the subscribe. Pivot high, pivot low. It's going to be 556.5, 558.40 is our fibs. I'll typically live trade like 2 or 3 days a week. Typically not the first day of the week, because that, like Monday, or in this week's scenario, Tuesday, I typically don't trade that first day. Or if I do, it's lighter size, just because my overall performance on the first day of the week isn't the best. So I tend to just be like risk off and very patient. But then usually like Tuesday through Thursday is my best days. And then Fridays are kind of like hit or miss. But yeah, live stream like 2-3 times a week. Nah, QQQ hit that 1 hour 21 EMA earlier. Way earlier. Thank you for the subscribe. On keyboard. What do you mean? So we held above that previous high. We're getting the push. Okay, I see one more potential trade on QQQ. It's probably the last setup I'm going to watch. But if we pull back towards that previous high a day on QQQ, because we kind of just broke through it, plus we got a little fair value gap right there. So here's our previous high. Here's our fair value gap. EMAs right there. Let's see, what is that? Around like 462. We'll go with the 462 calls if we pull back to it. Be right at the money. All right, let's see. Oh, I see what you're saying. All right, let's see if we get this pullback. You better not bounce just short, bro. Little more. Little bit more. All right, let's see what happens. Right there. See if we get the reaction. Still watching. Still no entry. Yeah, no. Not gonna take this. No entry personally. Again, could continue to push, but meh. Not my favorite. All right, gonna give the market 10 more minutes. Mainly the risk on that one. Because we would have had to give it below the previous low right here. You had to wait for the confirmation, the candle close of that 5 minute right here. So then you're risking about like 40 points, give or take. So you would need this to get up to around like 70, which is up here. And it's also 0 DT. Plus, like, the reaction wasn't my favorite. Again, we could push into a new high a day. It's just, it's not my favorite setup in the world. But in order for the trade to even make sense, we would absolutely need to get here first. We're going to catch a trade this week, though. Absolutely going to catch a trade. I also don't like these days that we just like slowly grind up or grind down. Those are like my least favorite days to trade. That's pretty much exactly what we're doing right now. Analysis was right, but again, no position put on. I didn't take a trade yesterday. Only scaled out of my Verizon yesterday, and then today scaled out more of my Verizon and IYR. Chilling. I gotta add up that IYR because I'm pretty sure profits had to have been close to 10K from my original position and then my scale outs. $10K profits, by the way. Yeah, I think we're just gonna slowly grind up. Oh well. I tell the team no day trades for me today. Cool. Well, yeah, that NQ is gonna go, but again, it did what I wanted it to do. It's just it wasn't A plus enough for me. So we're gonna catch a trade this week. I promise you guys. You guys have joined the live streams before. You know how I operate when it comes to trading. It's got to be A plus for me to put risk on. If we get an A plus setup, I will take the trade. But this to me was more so like maybe a C. So we'll see what the rest of the week has to offer. But again, that's it for me today. Nothing. No day trades. Just some scale outs. But yeah. Everybody have a good one. Let's hopefully catch a banger tomorrow. Make sure you guys are subscribed and let's continue to run it up. Peace out, everybody.